Professional tips for a clean home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. We all want a clean, fresh and well-ordered home to bring calm and peace of mind, but to tell the truth, cleaning is hard work for many of us. And that's why, despite its incomparable merits, many people still want to shy away from it. It requires a good knowledge about your overall home and the target areas you need to give close attention to when executing your cleaning task. Our major goal is to equip you with tips to improve your health and live a more satisfying life. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel to have access to other similar releases. You probably want a spotless and squeaky clean home for yourself and have been trying your best to make your cleaning dream a reality. But it's not just as much as you want it to be. Don't worry, you're not alone, as no one is perfect. Here are the basic areas of your home you should target to access the tidiness, so that you can approach your cleaning like an expert and experience the sweetness of a super clean apartment. First, aura. Your home is filled with things that deal with all the sensory organs. We mean the eye, ear, nose and skin, each of which helps to detect sight, sound, smell, and feel, respectively. Even though it might look unbelievable, every home does have its own smell. Do you have any idea what your home smells like? You probably don't. You don't have to be surprised about that, as it's a general condition. Rarely do we notice the scent in our household. This is because we're used to it, and we now have what's called nose blind, which prevents us from detecting the smell. However, it's one of the things that a guest can easily notice, especially when it's a professional cleaner. Inconsistent cleaning, sewages, pets, foods, spills and unnoticeable areas of the house are one of the major causes of unpleasant smells in the house. Therefore, you want to clear off any of the aforementioned and other things that can give out bad odor, and fill your house with substances that freshens up the aura. These are what you should do to ensure that you get rid of bad odor and maintain a home that welcomes your guests with a nice scent. Second, neglected areas. By neglected areas, we mean those places that you seldom see or notice in your houses, like the hidden side of your appliances, and those areas that are fast to get messy with buildups of specks of dirt, like your sink counter, mirrors, etc. Why are these parts important to your cleaning? When you have a small amount of dirt on these areas, you can easily apply a cleaner, leave for a few minutes, and get them wiped off in no time. However, when the grime is accumulated, it becomes more tasking to get them off. You might even need to use some sophisticated equipment and products. Since those areas get dirty more frequently, it's better that you give them cleaning attention on a regular basis to free yourself from a more strenuous and time-consuming task. The best part is that you will also save the cost of purchasing sophisticated equipment and materials. Third, walls. If any part of your home will get dirty, the walls are most probably not going to be an exception. We often give little consideration to the walls when cleaning our home. But in the long run, it counts among the factors that will determine how clean your home is, which is why you should pay attention to your walls as part of the areas you need to clean. You want to check your walls and other parts, such as door handles, switches and points of contact for fingerprints and other specks of dirt. You may not have to clean your wall every week, but it deserves a cleaning attempt at some point in time. Fourth, surfaces. These are the areas in your home that you don't normally give special attention, like light fixtures, window sills, baseboards and others. Specks of dust on these items can be detected with a hand wipe on them, or even with a bare sight. So, you want to give them some cleaning attention, so as to have a more sparkling and aesthetically attractive home that suits the owner and welcomes the guests with an appealing look. Fifth, floors. Your floor is the widest surface in your house. Since every other item, including yourself, stays on it, it's exposed, getting dirty frequently from the spills, dust, etc. And a dirty floor is easily noticeable to the extent that it can mean a dirty home. The color and finishing of your floor determine how easily you can notice specks of dirt. A light-colored floor hides dirt more than a darker one. On the other hand, a floor with a shiny finish will show dirt easily. Whether glossy finishing, a dark or light-colored floor, giving your floor a regular cleaning touch will go a long way in maintaining a clean household. Knowing what, where and when to clean are the basic elements of cleaning tasks that differentiate the result you get. You should always pay attention to what your sensory organs are telling you about your home, and ensure you do something whenever you get negative feedback. We hope you will start paying more attention to the basic areas you've discovered here today. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out this previous video on 5 natural, easy solutions for hardwood floor cleaning. Let us know which of these tips you are trying next. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.